Hi, I'm Christina Swain with the Swain Team of Keller Williams, here today with part 3 of our home buying series tips. Tip number 6 is make sure you save some money for home improvements. When you purchase a home, you may need to replace carpets, old flooring, old cabinetry, and so on. Or something could happen. You never know what'll happen after you purchase a home. Tip number 7, know your monthly payment before you start looking. So when you get pre-qualified, you want to discuss that with your loan officer. What's my monthly payment going to be? You need to feel comfortable with your monthly payment, right? You don't want to have a $2,000 mortgage payment when you're only comfortable spending $1,500 a month. It doesn't make sense. So reach out to your loan officer and ask that, or ask your realtor. A realtor is not just there to sell you a house. They're there to guide you through the purchase to make sure you're making the right decision for you. They can sit down with you and go over different monthly payment scenarios for different houses. You need to look at the purchase price, the taxes, if there's any homeowners association fees, and so on. These are all part of what your mortgage payment is going to be. When I sit down as an expert realtor, when I sit down with people, I make sure they understand all this. So that way there's no surprises. You need to know what your monthly payment's going to be. You should know it before you look at the house. Because why should you run around looking at houses that you can't afford? Right? Doesn't make any sense. So if you're thinking about purchasing, reach out to me. I'd be happy to sit down with you and review the process as well as your options. Even if you're still in the planning stages, I'm happy to help guide you in any way I can. Reach out, give me a call, 215-757-7257. If you missed part 1 and part 2, I'm going to add a link to our comment section back to our website where we have it listed as well. Until next time, I'm Christina Swain with the Swain Team of Keller Williams. Have a great day.